Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to,
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo.
Welcome back to the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. This is game number 5 of 9 games here in SM South Mall, Las Piñas. My name is JB Ruiz and with me is John Mahali, and we are covering all 9 games today. If you are within the Las Piñas area, please feel free to come here in the 3rd floor of the events place. Today's action now is the 15 and under division between the Kampon Clothing and the JL Mini Hoops. So, partner, I guess the better question here is, no, both squads currently nag-receive ng loss dahil from their younger brothers. So, syempre, mas motivating sa kanila na sana isa sa kanila makuha ng W. Both squads are playing the same head coaches. Pero anong masasabi mo na yun na different na yun dito sa Kampon Clothing muna?
Dito sa Kampon Clothing siguro mas mga syempre ahead to, 'di ba?
Yes.
So yung way paano sila maglaro siguro
Correct.
ibang-iba na, no? Parang kumbaga sa mga sabi nga sa mga laro sa labas, mama na maglaro siguro kasi 15 na eh.
Oo.
Compare dun sa mga younger kanina.
Correct.
Diba?
Pero is there any key players that we should keep an eye out on dito sa Kampon Clothing?
Dito sa Kampon Clothing, itong si Sardenia, Halil Sardenia, tsaka si Kobe Baldos.
Okay.
Ito yung mga key players nila na pwede nating abangan dito sa game na to.
Definitely, no? Meanwhile, sa kabilang panig, itong JL Mini Hoops, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila?
Itong JL Mini Hoops, medyo malaki yung size nila, no?
Oo, actually.
Talagang malalaki yung mga bata compared dun sa kanina. Kasi, syempre, 15 nga.
Yes.
Pero, halos lahat sila malalaki. Dito naman, ang kailangan natin abangan dito si Lester Sandrino.
Of course, definitely. The man in the middle.
Siya yung
Si
mga
Lester
pwede nating
Sandrino.
abangan.
Yes.
Tsaka itong si Kenin Biason. Yun. Pero, galing sila sa talo. Siguro, kailangan nilang bumawi ngayon dito sa game na to dahil galing sila sa talo. At ito namang Kampon Clothing 2-0 yung kanilang standing bago dito sa game na to.
So let's take a look now in this 5th matchup, no? In this 15 under division, sino sa kanila ang makakuha ng upper hand in today's ball game. So far, very back and forth action. Medyo messy nga kasi given the fact na ang lala ng defense on both squads with a bucket here, care of Kampon Clothing. And later on, we will get a closer look at the score. But let's go to this timeout first here in this opening quarter. And this timeout is care of Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. The score is 10-0 care of Kampon Clothing. 6 minutes and 39 remaining in this opening quarter. And it's been all white shirts so far.
Mukhang babawi itong mga kuya.
Oo.
Itong Kampon Clothing, no? Nakita nila kung paano natalo yung mga
Younger brothers
younger
nila.
brothers nila eh.
Nandun lang sila sa sideline, sa likod ng bench.
Oo,
So,
nagsistretch sila kanina.
at for sure na-motivate sila.
Tama.
Gusto bumawi. Another easy 2 here for Kampon Clothing, this time in favor of Skyler Castillo.
Very similar din yung full court pressure nitong
Oo.
Kampon Clothing. So, dahil parang kanina, napanood ko lang to eh. Ngayon, ginagawa na naman ulit nila, no?
And meanwhile, as you mentioned, the big man, Lester Sandrino, is trying to make his presence known, getting the contact for 2 free throws.
Oo, siya yung kailangan nating abangan dito sa JL Mini Hoops.
Actually, John, naalala ko, ako pa mismo nag-call ng last game nila. The reason why nakuha nila yung L, na foul trouble kagad si Sandrino. So, mabilis na foul trouble yung opponent nila, nakuha nila yung rhythm. Na foul trouble si Sandrino at medyo lumamang na. Kaya nahirapan sila bumalik. Kaso nung fourth quarter, naalala ko, maraming ginawa si Sandrino. Pero too little, too late.
Late na, no? Minsan kasi pag naunahan ka na ng foul, yung rhythm mo,
Oo.
mag-iiba na eh, no?
Correct.
Talagang maano ka, may epekto.
Yes. Kaya let's see kung ano yung mga adjustments niya this second game. Kasi syempre, as much as possible, gusto niya tumagal. No call there, all good.
Ang bibigat na, no? Maririnig mo eh. Maririnig mo yung banggaan, tsaka yung...
Sobrang lapit sa atin, partner eh.
Yung tapak nila talagang malaki na eh.
Correct.
Yung mga kanina, medyo ano pa eh.
Diba? And the fact na 15-year-olds lang yung mga to, as you can see here, another basket, care of Kampon Clothing. At tawag dito, very disciplined yung sets nila. No ill will, for sure yung ilan dito, nagkaroon na ng muscles, nag-develop ng mga big boy muscles slowly. And these are on the cusp of, ano ba tawag dito, magjo-junior na eh. So, what I mean is, yung mga players dito, maaaring maging future junior NCAA, junior UAP, baka mas-scout pa sila, or for all you know, may mga nakomit na sila sa mga succeeding years.
Tsaka yung mga bata na to, skilled na to. for
Exactly,
sure.
correct.
Skilled na to. Kasi bata pa lang to, malamang nag-i-ensayo na, kagaya kanina ng mga bata. Siguro sila yung mga umangat, di ba?
For sure, they already know, for all you know, they played already second or third season na nila dito. Kasi they,
Yes.
from the previous years. Tsaka, for sure, they, ano tawag dito, they want to hone kung ano yung strengths nila.
Yes. At ayun nga, makikita natin, pinapakita na nitong Kampon Clothings yung mga skill set na dala nila ngayon sa game na to.
Si Zaijan Bello with that three-pointer. It is a 16-point lead. Great quick passing here, care of JL Mini Hoops. And that first shot is care of Yuan Ezekiel Mojica. Oh, great defense here. And a fast break play. Oh, no good. No good as well. Second chance opportunities not going their way. Easy gimmies.
Sayang yung
Oh,
dalawang defensive rebound na yun. Hindi nila na-convert.
meanwhile,
Bawat yung ang parehas yung press break nitong
oo.
Kampon Clothings dun sa mga baby brothers nila kanina, no?
Correct.
Same na same lang.
Well, what can you tell, partner? Parehas, both coaches bumalik eh.
Isa lang. Nag-CR lang yata.
Ay, okay. Quite messy so far this opening quarter, pero everything is going Kampon Clothing's way in terms of getting those fast breaks.
Pati yung depensa, oh.
Ang ganda ng defense ang pinakita nila and great presence of mind. Unable to take care of the basketball. Possession will go back to Kampon Clothing.
Kanya-kanya silang full court defense talaga.
Oo.
Itong JL Mini Hoops, 2-2-1.
Great
Yan.
possession. No good. Another second chance. Great block. No foul. Mid-range J. No good para sa Kampon Clothing. Three-pointer. And another one. Getting it done. That is the second three-pointer. Care of Zaijan Bello.
Ganda ng ball movement nitong Kampon Clothings. Kaya nakahanap sila ng mga libre na kakampi nila.
Oo.
Talagang pimiikot yung bola.
Another three-point bucket. Heat check na yun. Hindi work out.
Oh, nice pass.
Great presence of
Touch
mind.
pass lang.
Care of Zaijan Bello with that stop. And this is going to be a timeout in favor of JL Mini Hoops. It has been a whopping lead here for Kampon Clothing, 22-3 to start this opening quarter. Timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Back into the action. A turnover is caused here by JL Mini Hoops. Possession will go back to Kampon Clothing.
Medyo lumalaki na itong kalamangan ng Kampon Clothings, no? At nadadaan nila sa depensa itong JL Mini Hoops at nahihirapan silang bumaba, no?
Definitely, no. Early on in this opening quarter, they want to make sure na malaki ang lamang nila.
Siguro ang kailangan ng JL Mini Hoops yung more passing nila, ball movement, tsaka yung kung paano nila magawa yung offense nila.
Yes.
Kasi medyo parang ano sila, nagmamadali. Napi-pressure din sila.
Three-point bucket once again, no good. And that is an 8-second violation. Great defense here for Kampon Clothing.
Dine-delay talaga nila itong JL Mini Hoops.
Possession will go back to JL Mini Hoops after that last play. One minute and 9 seconds remaining in this opening quarter. Sandrino, drop pass. Able to
pass
get
yun.
the easy two for JL Mini Hoop.
Yun yung mga pwedeng gawin nitong JL Mini Hoops, yung mga forward pass, extra passes nila. Para mahanap nila yung mga libreng teammate nila.
Pero partner, it started with that drop pass from Sandrino. Again, may iba yung presence pag nandyan siya.
Oo. Ang laking bata eh. Tsaka unselfish play yung ginawa
Yes.
ng teammate niya. Dahil libre na siya, nakita niya may libre pang isa, pinasa niya ulit.
This is going to be Jerome Elijah Abrigonda on the free throw line, making the first of two. Making 2 for 2. Okay ba yung mga free throw routines na yun ng mga bata? No? Napapansin ko.
Kanya-kanya silang
Actually,
free throw routines.
may free throw routine ka ba dyan?
Wala naman yung dribble lang yun ang dribble.
Okay, okay.
Pero nung bata ako, Jason Kidd.
Ah, talaga may may kasamang kiss? Wow!
Yung mga ganun, mga
Oo.
12, 13 ako.
Oo.
Pero nung medyo nagkakaedad na, parang nahihiya na ako.
Ako nung time, hindi naman nung time ko. Until now, pag nag-free throw ako, 3 dribbles, tsaka kailangan i-flip yung bola.
Flip. Bago
Oh,
ka
oh
mag-position.
yes. Ako may superstition ng ganyan eh. Kailangan 3 dribbles and a flip.
Dati
Meanwhile,
talagang flying kiss.
it is a 22-9 Kampon Clothing lead That was because of that last shot by Sandrino. And one more with an end one. No good. 2 free throws will go his way.
Nice pass yun
Oo.
by Quino dito kay Sandrino. Yun lang, di niya na-convert. Pero may chance naman siya dito sa free throw.
You can see the aggressiveness, no? That he really wanted to get that in, eh.
No look pass.
And slowly but surely, again, nagpa-play catch-up itong JL Mini Hoops. They're quite known for that, eh. Medyo masama yung start nila. And then biglang hahabol. And unfortunately, 2 white shirts couldn't control the basketball.
Parang diesel, no? Kailangan painitin mo muna.
Oh. Pero syempre, if you're JL Mini Hoops, you wouldn't want that all the time.
Oo, syempre.
Meanwhile, another 2-point bucket here. Kid of Sandrino.
Parang napansin ko, Sandrino sila kumukuha ng puntos din.
Correct. And he is doing everything so far this first quarter. At the end of the first, Compound Clothing is 24, JL Mini Hoops 11. We will be right back. Promise bro, biglang hindi mo akalain kasi sunod. Hindi mo akalain and then pagkatapos ng lahat, naalala ko nun eh, nung sinunod ko straight sa pangtulog ko. Ako lang yun. Kasi once ko lang ginawa yun eh. Parang na straight. Oh, 10 yata eh. Ayaw mo, gusto mo ba magbigay ng Chef's Magic mamaya? Kasi may goodies. Hindi yan. Play of the game. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal, whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game. Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And we are back here in the second quarter of game number 5 of 9 here in SM South Mall, Las Piñas. For the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2 15th Under Division. JP Ruiz with John Mahari. And John, anong masasabi mo dito sa Kampon Clothing this first quarter?
Yung first quarter, no, talagang inunahan nila tong JL Mini Hoops. Talagang nag-dictate sila nung
Yes.
start ng game, no, kaya medyo nakalayo sila dito. At ito namang Kampon Clothing, ito namang JL Mini Hoops, medyo nag-a-adjust pa sila. At
Correct.
ito, tignan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin nila dito sa second quarter.
Definitely. Both squads, no? Alam nila na talo yung younger brothers nila nung earlier today. Gusto bumawi and get a W for their respective team. And speaking of which, we're looking at once again Lester Sandrino. Partner, you mentioned from the start of the game na he is the main guy of JL Mini Hoops. Making the first of 2 free throws.
Sa kanya nang galing itong mga
Oo.
puntos na to, no?
Karamihan, I would say. It is an 11-point lead. Kampon Clothing 26, JL Mini Hoops 15, and now JL Mini Hoops are trying to adjust their defense. Drop pass. Huli. Now let's see if they can convert. Almost a steal. Evading 2 white shirts, and a foul is called. 2 free throws para kay Jerome Elijah Abrigonda.
Mention ko lang din, no, kanina dun sa kabilang court. Itong si Sandrino, no, nakataas yung kamay niya talaga. Talagang may ilang ka rin.
Yes.
Kasi hindi ka rin basta-basta makaka-layup sa kanya. So, pang depensa na,
Correct.
umopensa pa siya.
Sinabi ko to sa colleague ko nung kinol ko si Sandrino. Masaya siya maging teammate.
Lete.
Ayoko na maging kalaban.
Ang laki. Pero tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga ibibigay
Oo.
niya dito sa game na to. At
Correct.
kailangan.
Actually, given the fact na 10-point lead right now, make it 9, 2 for 2 free throws, care of Jerome Elijah Abrigonda. Oh, ready na sana mag-trap
Oo.
itong JL Mini Hoops. Kaso, nag-substitute muna. Pero look, you can see the pressure defense itong JL Mini Hoops na yun. 4 black shirts ang nandito sa
Oo.
backcourt.
Dine-deny talaga nila
Oo.
yung may bola. Yung passing lane.
Oo,
Talagang kino-cover nila.
Oh, and because of that, that is a turnover.
Talagang binibigyan nila ng pressure itong Kampon Clothings para magmadali at makakommit
Correct.
ng mga turnovers.
Ooh, outlet pass. At sobrang na-frustrate yung coaching staff ng JL Mini Hoops. Hindi nila kailangan i-risky pass.
Yes. Stay calm lang.
Oo.
Relax. And look for the open man. At ito ang ginagawa nitong Kampon Clothings.
Ooh, second chance opportunity. Gumana para kay Miggy magtaas. Oh, great steal. Presence of mind. Kampon Clothing. Oh. And that is a blocking foul. Care of Carl Quino.
Medyo nakakabawi na tong JL Mini Hoops.
Oo.
Problema, sumushoot pa rin ang sumushoot itong
Correct.
Kampon Clothing. So, kailangan nilang gawin is defensive stop talaga.
Yes. Unable to convert. Great defense. And great box out for JL Mini Hoops. Almost an 8-second call. Oh, almost able to evade. Driving all the way. Unable to do so. Possession will go back.
Good intention yun, no? Dadrop pass niya sana yun
Oo.
kay Sandrino.
Oo.
Kaso, hindi nakatingin.
Nag-overthink masyado.
Oo.
Sa kanya na yun eh.
Pero good intention.
Yes. Oh, kailangan mag-box out itong JL Mini Hoops. Especially kung si Sandrino.
Nasa
wala-
labas.
Oo, at ano tawag dito, i-hands up para sa defender, bilang defender siya.
Tama. Kasi pag once na lumabas siya, wala nang big sa ilalim, wala nang rumi-rebound. So, tingin ko kailangan nila dito is gang rebound.
Correct.
Talagang lahat sila double effort para dun sa rebound, no?
Meanwhile, speaking of gang rebound,
Yeah.
yan yung ginagawa ng Kampon Clothing. And that is Jairus De Los Santos able to get the second chance opportunity. Na-foul nga.
Yan, naririnig natin dito, sumisigaw sila na rebound kayo. Siguro yun yung
Message.
message na kailangan na marinig nitong JL Mini Hoops
Oo.
dahil kung ang Kampon Clothings nga nagagang rebound, siguro best way na gawin din nila yon.
Correct. Another turnover is given here in great hang time care of Miggy Magtaas. 31-17 in favor of Kampon Clothing. And another turnover. Great second chance opportunity. And a foul is called. It will go to JL Mini Hoops. Open shot, no good. Second chance opportunity. Great presence of mind in favor of Xander Mayor.
Nakakuha sila ng mga second chance points
Oo.
dahil sa offensive rebound nila.
And great hustle effort here for JL Mini Hoops getting an extra possession. Mojica. Bully inside. Almost got the M1 bucket but able to get the foul.
Nice move yun. Talagang binaon niya yung depensa niya at nung
Oo.
makita siya ng opportunity na mag-spin move, spin move niya at yun niya. Nakakuha siya ng contact doon, tinawagan ng foul.
Correct.
Bigat ng bangga eh. Ang bigat.
31-19. 4:44 remaining in the second quarter. You have to remind everyone, 15 years old yung mga kids dito, unable to score. That was a gimme para kay Nino Ray Alcain, unable to score. Second chance opportunity. Great. Box out here. Care of Nico Samuel Rosales. Nice steal from Kobe Valdos. Kobe Valdos all the way. No good.
Sayang yung layup na yun.
That was very unfortunate for Kobe Valdos.
Sinubo na, lumabas.
Oo. And we're gonna get this quick timeout. Kampon Clothing leading 31-19. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. (31-19) in favor of Kampon Clothing. This is still the second quarter of game number 5. And a substitution is coming in for JL Mini Hoops. This is going to be Juan Miguel Viray coming into the ball game. 15 under division of the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior BBL Pocket League Season 2 here in SM South Mall. Feel free to catch the games here. There are still 4 more games covering after this one. Unable to convert. Great box out here for JL Mini Hoops. Can they cut this deficit? Ooh, sidestep, no good. And that is a foul from a JL Mini Hooper.
Aggressive defense again para dito sa JL Mini Hoops.
Wala pa sa penalty. It will be Kampon Clothing once again. Kobe Valdos. Under 3 minutes remaining.
Ito, tingnan natin, nag-change defense itong
Actually,
JL Mini Hoops. Nag-zone defense sila.
2-3 zone yung pinapakita.
Pinoforce nila na tumira sa labas. Ito.
Oh, great presence of mind by Rosales. Able to drop pass. Expected na yon. Rosales. Open J, no good. No good on that triple for JL Mini Hoops. This is De Los Santos, coast to coast, no good. Kenin Biason, unable to get the 3 from the other end. Will go once again, getting the contact, and it's a non-shooting foul. Exactly 2 minutes remaining in this first half. And we are looking at Kenin Haisler Biason trying to cut this deficit.
Parang ang bilis na nangyayari, no?
Oo,
Akyat baba rin sila, tapos di natin napapansin. 10 pala yung lamang.
exactly.
Parang yung game din kanina.
Oo.
Sobrang intense.
One thing you should appreciate about these 15-year-olds, nag-free throw talaga.
Oo. Talagang mini-make sure nila
Yes.
na shoot yung bawat free throw na binibigay sa kanila.
Ooh, that was an unfortunate foul there from Sandrino. Unnecessary.
Pero ang ganda ng ginawa nitong Kampon Clothing, no? Forward pass.
Yes.
Nung na-forward pass na nila, hindi nakapag-prepare itong JL Mini Hoops. At minsan yun yung talaga yung kailangan mo para ma-break mo yung press.
Correct.
Kailangan forward pass, release pass, yung mga field spot. Kasi pag once na forward pass mo na yan, nakarating ka sa kabilang court,
Correct.
tapos na yung drop na yun.
It is going to be a tall order here for JL Mini Hoops. As you can see, 2 for 2 free throws from James Andrew Cuevas. 33-22 with 1 minute and 47 remaining. Almost a turnover. Sandrino going all the way. And that is a bully ball move from Lester Sandrino.
Ginamit niya yung size niya.
Oh. And a quick 2 counter here from James Andrew Cuevas. And that is a quick turnaround. Trading buckets here. JL Mini Hoops si Kenin Haisler Biason.
Grabe yung drive na yun. Ang dami niyang dinaanan
Yes.
para ma-shoot yung tira na yun.
Ooh. Huli with the block, and Sandrino getting it done on the defensive end. Almost a turnover. Great crossover. And another bucket here for JL Mini Hoops, si Carl Quino. Ang bilis,
Ganda ng drive na yun. Na sumide-step siya para magkaroon ng space, no?
fast-paced action right now. 7-point lead na lang yung lamang.
Saka napansin ko lang din, no? Yung mga dribbling skills na itong mga batang to,
Kakaiba.
medyo advanced na.
Oo. Although a slip there, able to get the basketball. Mid-range J, no good. 19 seconds in the game clock. 7-point lead for Kampon Clothing. Ooh,
Oh,
soft
nice
J. Care of Matthew Villapando. 5 seconds. And they might lose it. Able to get the basketball. De Los Santos. 1 to shoot. Unable to know of the game clock, and that wraps the first half of game number 5, where you will see Kampon Clothing leading 37-28 in favor of Kampon Clothing. We will be right back. Kain. Lunch ba kasi lunch at dinner? Kailangan. Siyempre, walang makabili sa akin. Sino? Kami. Nililibre mo kami. Kaya kami baon ako. Kain ka pa muna? Habang Ako mag first game? Oy, sabi mo sa akin kung Chef's Magic. Now na? Mga ilang minutes? Record mo siya.
Saglit daw, kakain muna yung ano namin.
Oo nga. Hindi, joke lang.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Washroom ka muna. Pag halftime ba, gano'ng katagal? Normally. Actually, nagulat ako nandito ka. Di ba normally dun ka sa, kung hindi sa W, dun sa pang 18 under? Oo.
Dapat siya na magbanggit ng Chef Magic. Kasi asawa niya eh.
Yun nga eh.
Di ba? Kasi hindi niya kabisado yata.
Hindi, hindi niya. Hindi niya alam. Second time pa lang niya eh.
Sayang.
Salamat!
Tara, game na natin yan. Tara, game na natin yan. Lagi nag-aantay sa atin yun.
Ha? Umihi lang. Bakit? Siya yung magsasalita? Ako lang. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal, whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game. Chess Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chess Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And we are back here for the third quarter of this 15 and under game between Kampon Clothing leading 39-28 against JL Mini Hoops. Welcome once again to Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2 here in SM South Mall, Las Piñas. JP Ruiz here along with John Mahari calling game number 5 of 9. It has been a fun-filled day so far. And right now, we're looking at the Kuyas of JL Mini Hoops and Kampon Clothing and the 15 under division. And that is Kobe Valdos getting it done on the first of 2 free throws. unable to make the second. Sandrino boxing it out. And possession will stay with JL Mini Hoops. Eight minutes and 38 remaining. It is a 12-point lead. JL Mini Hoops trying their best to play catch-up here. And a great drop pass. Unable to convert itong si Sandrino. And a sorry miss here from Abegonda. Going all the way on the other end si Skyler Castillo.
Pagpasok na itong third quarter, talagang pumressure na rin itong
Oo.
Kampon Clothings, no? Talagang tinuloy nila yung in-start nila kanina na mas may energy.
Correct. And John, no, given that this is now the second half, ano yung mga nakikita mong stats dito sa first half na nagbibigay ng lamang itong si Kampon Clothing?
Siguro sa Kampon Clothings lang, no, yung field goal nila, tsaka yung rebounds, total rebounds nila
Oo.
20
Correct.
against dito. Maliit lang naman, pero ang maganda lang kasi nako-convert
Yes.
itong Kampon Clothings yung mga second chance points nila
Correct.
against dito sa JL Mini Hoops.
Naka 15 second chance points nga itong Kampon Clothing. So you could see na the hustle play nitong Kampon Clothing getting it done on their end. As you can see, another fast break play care of Kobe Valdos. Sandrino dropping it down low, able to evade it, get a second chance opportunity of his own si Sandrino.
Medyo nag-iinit na nga itong si Sandrino, no? At siguro naman kailangan na talaga niya to help his team na makabalik dito sa third quarter.
Correct. No foul call, letting them play, and finally, a ref blowing the whistle, giving an opportunity for Kampon Clothing to go to the line. This is in favor of Halel Sardenia. Six minutes and 26 seconds remaining. One thing I noticed dito, no, in terms of their turnovers, mas marami yung turnovers
Yun.
ni JL Mini Hoops
Isa pa yung turnovers.
na 16. And because of those 16, yung points from turnovers ni Kampon, lamang na lamang 17 versus 8.
Nako-convert kasi nila
Correct.
into points.
Correct.
Yung mga turnovers.
As you can see, another example, no, unable to convert. But you can see the hustle. Natuloy-tuloy yung mga turnovers na kinukommit itong JL Mini Hoops.
Tingin ko yun yung magiging isang disadvantage nitong JL Mini Hoops. Yung mga lots of turnovers na
Yes.
nangyayari sa kanila.
Rosales able to get it done with the swifty maneuver, getting 2 points para kay JL Mini Hoops.
Siguro more on mga ganong ano pa, drive yung mga kailangan nila
Oo.
para makabawi dito.
Unfortunately, that is a that is a missed shot, and possession will go to JL Mini Hoops. I think that is a platoon substitution para sa Kampon Clothing. So new fresh legs coming in dito sa midway mark of the third quarter.
Tama ka doon, no? Napansin ko na nagpasok si coach ng 5 dumidepensa
Oo.
lahat.
May good point ka doon.
Oo, dumidepensa lahat. Talagang pinipressure nila itong JL Mini Hoops.
Oo.
After 5 or 4 minutes, nag-sub naman siya ulit.
Correct.
At ito naman siguro yung opensa.
Good observation there, partner. May point ka. Sila Bello and I think si Talada are some of the scorers na ginawa dito for Kampon Clothing.
Good strategy yun coming from Kampon Clothings. No?
I think this is Matthew Villapando, unable to make the first of 2 free throws. Medyo maganda yung depth nitong Kampon Clothing. I believe 10 to 11 players are playing well. So medyo systematic rin, no? Itong
Yes.
Kampon Clothing.
Sa tingin-
Walang star player.
Sa tingin ko, meron din silang group na pang depensa.
Actually, tama ka.
After ng depensa, papasok naman yung opensa.
Mm.
At hindi lang yun, yung pang depensa nila, meron din talagang opensa.
Meron.
Hindi lang basta depensa.
Kumbaga, so sobrang tagal nila, I guess, magkasama or dahil sa training, nasanayan na sila na, I guess, yung 5 na yun, nagkakaintindihan na kung sino yung gagawa.
Yes. At pag pinasok naman itong group na to, eh sila naman yung para sa score.
Oh, unable, easy gimme there. Great putback, care of Sandrino. It is an 8-point lead. And in unison, nahuli nga with the block.
Nice block yun by Lester Sandrino.
And speaking of Lester Sandrino, going all the way.
Defense into offense, no? Galing depensa, talagang umi-sprint back siya.
Quick play there by Lester Sandrino from one end to the other. Can they get a stop here? It is a 6-point lead. Almost hitting our production crew. Buti na lang, safe kaming lahat.
Isang napansin ko pa dito sa JL Mini Hoops, hindi talaga nila pinapalabas itong si Lester Sandrino pagdating sa depensa. Talagang
Actually,
iniiwanan talaga sa gitna.
yes.
Pag merong nalibre sa top, may ibang guy na
Correct.
magre-recover.
Good observation. Uy, open man. Oh. Great control. 10 to shoot. And unfortunately, it's a 3-second violation because of Sandrino staying inside. A couple of substitutions now for the black shirts. And Sandrino is taking a quick breather. Let's see if may mga adjustments na gagawin itong JL Mini Hoops. And a tough baseline jumper for Kampon Clothing. Oh, and a risky 3-point shot there. Care of Jerome Elijah Abrigonda. Can they get the stops though?
Big basket yun para sa kanila.
Oo, kahit wala si Sandrino on the floor. Tirino, their playmaker. No good. 3-on-1 fast break. All the way. No black shirt in sight. Easy to care of Matthew Villapando. The lead has extended to 7. Almost a turnover. Ooh, and a clutch foul.
At ito rin, na-observe ko ngayon dito sa JL Mini Hoops, nung nilabas nila si Lester Sandrino, eh, nagpalit sila ng mga guys na tumatakbo.
Exactly. So, mas
Mabibilis
mabilis yung lineup na
mabibilis.
to.
Tama. Nagpasok sila siguro para sa kanilang opensa.
Correct. And right now, tama ka partner, pumasok na yun. Si Viray, excuse me. Moy Bigonda.
Siguro for offense purposes.
Oo. Rosales is coming in. Great defensive play. Bully ball. No. Tough spin move. Nothing but net. Para kay Matthew Villapando. Villapando has taken the last 4 points for Kampon Clothing and it has extended to 9. Mas mahirap na yun dahil wala si Lester Sandrino. 3-on-1. Another basket here given to Kampon Clothing. So alam na nila, pag wala si Lester Sandrino, kailangan umatake sa loob.
Tama. Nakikita nila yung opportunity na makadrive ng maayos dahil walang shot blocker dito sa gitna, no?
Everything is going their way. And a timeout is called for JL Mini Hoops, and you can see the frustration from the coaching staff.
Tama kasi, nakakahabol na sila eh.
Oh,
Nakakahabol
and
na.
you wouldn't want that.
At nung nilabas itong si Lester Sandrino,
Correct.
nakakita ng opportunity.
This time it is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Timeout ah. Isang subo. Isang subo. $54-41 in favor of Kampon Clothing here in the third quarter. Rosales. Almost losing the basketball. A turnover. Going all the way. No good! And a difficult 2-point bucket here for Zaijan Bello. 15-point lead. And that was, I guess, a defensive foul, a blocking foul that will go Sandrino's way. Wala pa sila sa penalty.
Pilitan ng ipasok ulit
Oo.
si Lester Sandrino dito sa JL Mini Hoops. No?
9.7 seconds remaining.
Kailangan na siya.
Correct. Ooh. And what a way to end the third quarter. Everything is going Kampon's Clothing way. The moment na na-bench si Sandrino.
Nakakita sila ng opportunity
Oh.
para maka-atake ng maka-atake.
And because of that, Kampon Clothing leads 58-41 at the end of the third. We'll be right back. And this is the start of the fourth quarter now for Kampon Clothing and JL Mini Hoops. Sandrino making the first of 2 free throws. And from tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal, whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game. Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. This is the fourth and final quarter of game number 5, 15 under between Kampon Clothing and JL Mini Hoops. John, I think the biggest difference here is mas okay si JL Mini Hoops pag nandyan si Sandrino. Very clearly because once he got subbed out, lumamang ng todo itong Kampon Clothing.
Yes, nakakita ng opportunity itong Kampon Clothings na mas makalamang pa. Dahil kanina, nung nasa loob si Lester Sandrino, medyo dumidikit na sila. Pero nung nilabas siya, ayun nga, nakabalik at nakalamang palalo itong Kampon Clothings.
Now let's see what kind of adjustments ang gagawin ng JL Mini Hoops na nandyan niya si Lester Sandrino but at the same time kailangan gumawa ng mga stops para makabawi.
Tama. Kailangan nila makakuha ng mga defensive stops.
Oo.
Kasi kung hindi ka didepensa, wala din.
Great stop here. Great box out. Ball is being dived at. Jump ball possession will go to the white shirts, so it will go back to Kampon Clothing with a 15-point lead.
Tignan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin nitong JL Mini Hoops dito sa game na to.
Oh, what a dipsy-do there with the foul. That will be care of Lester Sandrino. 8 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Kobe. This will be Cuevas to the line. Unable to make the first of two.
Advantage din itong Kampon Clothing, nakikita nila yung mga driving lanes na libre
Correct.
para maka-convert sila ng puntos or makakuha sila ng mga fouls.
Able to get another second chance opportunity. Kampon Clothing fighting hard to get that extra possession. JL Mini Hoops now with the basketball. Great in and out dribble. Unable to take care of the basketball. In and out play, great outlet pass, and a foul. As you can see, no, kakaiba talaga yung presence ni Lester Sandrino with the tough in-your-face block.
Tama. Talagang naiilang sila drive.
Oo.
Pero nakikita pa rin ang Kampon Clothing na pag lumabas si Sandrino dun sa shaded area, may chance sila na maka-drive at
Correct.
makapuntos.
Hindi lang drive, makakakuha ng box, madaling makaka-box out. Kasi once
Rebound.
nasa labas siya, mas mahirap siya bumalik sa loob.
Kanina hindi siya lumalabas Medyo ngayon siguro kailangan
Kailangan,
na
oo.
niya kasi sumushoot din sa labas itong
Hmm,
Kampon Clothings. So napipilitan siyang lumabas.
correct. One more free throw now for JL Mini Hoops. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in this ball game. No basket because of a lane violation. And you wouldn't want that if you are JL Mini Hoops kasi you're trying your best to play catch up.
Yes, sayang yung mga ganong opportunity.
Oo.
Lalo naghahabol.
Mm. Still a lot of time. But the door is slowly slipping away for JL Mini Hoops. Nino able to find Lester. Almost, oh, he was able to lose the basketball. Great tip in. And that was based on great defense coming from Kian Untalan. And another fast break play, no good. Second putback opportunity, care of Kobe Valdos.
At nag-adjust na rin itong Kampon Clothing sa kanilang press dahil nag-half court na lang sila.
Oo.
Talagang 1-2-2 pero half court.
Yes.
Naabangan na lang nila na makapasok
Correct.
dito sa kabilang court bago nila
Mm.
pressure rin. Inaalaw muna nila makapag-dribble.
Yes.
Unlike kanina na full court, talagang double agad. Ngayon, inaabangan lang nila.
Oh, very difficult pass. That's a 2-on-1 against Sandrino. And it's going to be a jump ball. Possession will go to Possession will go to the white shirts.
Binibigyan talaga nila ng hard time itong si Lester Sandrino.
Oo.
Pag nakuha niya yung bola, talagang
Wala,
zone.
Matic. Oo.
Sinuzone siya, o kaya dinodouble na agad siya. So,
Correct.
hindi siya mahirapan talaga siyang gumawa ng score.
6 minutes and 10 remaining in this ball game. 2 free throws once again for Kampon Clothing. Everything is going Kampon Clothing's way. Another free throw here for Jairos de los Santos.
They control the game talaga.
Oo.
Talagang sa depensa, talagang binibigyan na nila ng iba't ibang
But that was a clear lane violation. Referees are calling it clear, no? Pagdating sa lane violations nila, you shouldn't go inside the paint before nakatira yung free throw shooter.
yes, talagang binabantayan nila yan. At ito nga yung sinasabi ko, binibigyan ng Kampon Clothings ng iba't ibang depensa.
Oo.
Itong JL Mini Hoops.
Once again, great defense here from Kampon Clothing. Half-court trap.
Siguro kailangan mag-adjust itong JL Mini Hoops.
Able to do so. Another fast break play. The pressure is on for Kampon Clothing. Firing away 67 to 43. We will have a timeout. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Exactly 5 minutes remaining in this ball game. 68 to 45. A couple of turnovers were seen there from JL Mini Hoops. And that is what you want if you're JL Mini Hoops, able to score on that end, but you need to get stopped right now.
Kailangan ng dumipensa ng matindi talaga itong
That's
JL
what you need. Again, back-to-back buckets here for JL Mini Hoops, and now timeout is being called from Kampon Clothing. We'll be right back. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. You couldn't see it, but a white shirt almost hit one of the security guards here with that last possession.
Alam ko, papasahan nila yung security.
Mm-mm.
Kala ko papasahan nila.
3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in this ball game. It has been all Kampon clothing at this point. And a traveling is called for Kampon clothing. With 3 minutes and 30 remaining, can there be one last ditch effort here for JL Mini Hoops? Unable to do so.
Sorry, miss. Sayang.
Meanwhile, on the other end, easy two shown here by Kampon Clothing. And one bucket here showed by Rosales.
Medyo mas kailangan na nila yung mga ganong puntos dahil naghahabol sila ngayon dito sa game na to. 3 minutes na lang yung natitira at kailangan pa nilang mag-push sa depensa para makakuha sila ng defensive stop at kailangan ma-convert din nila itong
Rosales now on the line. They need to convert here for them to get a chance. It's a 21-point lead. It's so big, but anything can happen. Able to make the free throw. Not giving up on the play. They still are fighting. Talking about JL Mini Hoop. It is an 18-point lead and another possession here. Almost a steal. Unable to control the basketball. Ooh, that is a very tough shot. The baseline floater. Ooh, able to steal the basketball. Kampon Clothing able to get the easy two once again. It has ballooned now to a 22-point lead. Two minutes and 23 seconds remaining in the ball game. It has been all Kampon Clothing at this point. Unable to do so. It is a 22-point lead.
itong Kampon Clothings, no, pinupush pa rin talaga nila yung bola pababa dito sa kabila.
They do. They really want to push the basketball. Regardless of the lead that they are in, it is almost an 8-second violation. Lester Sandrino going all the way. No good. One more. It is an and one bucket here. Care of Lester Sandrino.
Tingin ko ang ginagawa nitong Kampon Clothings kaya ganun pa rin sila mag-pressure eh. Parang ginagawa nilang training na dito
Probably rin.
para magawa nila ulit next game. Kumbaga dito pa lang sa mismong game, parang nagtitraining na din sila.
Yes, they can do that. And one opportunity. No good here for Lester Sandrino. 2 minutes remaining in the ball game. Open. Quirino able to escape two white shirts. Drop pass. Unable to get the bucket. Sandrino now going all the way for the easy two. Lester Sandrino.
Pag si Lester Sandrino talaga yung the drive, parang mahirapan ka na sumabay dahil
Oh,
medyo malaki talaga siya.
It is a 17-point lead. Black Shirts are doing one last ditch effort here to make it look competitive. That is care of Carl Quino, able to cut the deficit now to 15. And with less than a minute remaining, it is too little too late. All good for Kampon Clothing. Able to get the foul. Two free throws, unable to make the first. Itong si James Haraspe. James Haraspe. And that was Miggy Magtaas able to get the rebound, and with 14 seconds remaining, they're trying to cut the clock down. I would say, in your case, John, another dominant win in today's ball game.
By Kampon Clothing.
Oo.
Talagang bunawi nila yung mga baby brothers nila
Oo.
kanina. Talagang sila naman yung gumawa ng statement
Correct.
dito sa laro na to. Sa tingin ko, naging isang key factor din kaya nakalamang itong Kampon Clothing. Yung mga second chance points nila talagang mini-make sure nila
Yes.
na mababasket nila. Talagang, At yung depensa nila, ang ganda dahil
Oh, and
nag-iba-iba sila ng mga depensa.
And speaking of defense, that is one way to end it, partner, with a swat to end the ball game. And with that said, it is the end of game number 5 here in Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2 here in SM South Mall. This is Kampon Clothing getting the W against JL Mini Hoops in the 15 under division. And shortly after, we will get to know who our Chef's Magic player of the game will be. Later on, there will still be 4 more games, partner. Like, I believe the next one is going to be 11 under, and then the last 3 games are all 17 and under. Looking forward to that.
Marami pa tayong makikitang games, no?
Mhm.
Balik muna tayo ulit sa mga 11 under.
Oo.
Tingnan natin muna kung paano ulit sila maglaro. Mamaya, sigurado, mas kaabang-abang yan dahil 17 under, 3 game. Stay tuned dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2. At natapos na ulit itong ating pang 5 laro na JL Mini Hoops kontra Kampon Clothings, at nanalo dito ang Kampon Clothings. Ang score natin ay 59-76 dito sa ating 15 under. At naging key factor sa panalo nitong Kampon Clothing sa yung kanilang full court defense, no? Talagang dinipensa nila ng maigi itong JL Mini Hoops na hindi nila inaalaw na makababa ng komportable ng bola, no? At yung kanilang ball movement at yung kanilang great passing sa kanilang mga teammates at yung kanilang mga second chance points nako-convert nila at na collective efforts din ang ginawa nitong Kampon Clothing. Pero kudos pa rin dito sa JL Mini Hoops sa kanilang game, no? At nag-stand out sa kanila itong si Lester Sandrino. Yun nga lang, medyo kinapos sila pero good effort pa din, no? Dahil meron silang mga nagawang at ito na si JP para sa ating best player, Chef Magic, best player of the game.
We are here right now with our Chef's Magic player of the game, Kobe Valdos, with 11 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 5 steals. Kobe, ano yung advice na binigay ni Coach sa'yo para makuha yung 3rd straight win nyo today?
Ano lang po, depensa po, tapos po usap po sa loob para po hindi magkagulo. Yun lang po.
Kobe, dahil ikaw na yun ang Chef's Magic Player of the Game, maaari ka na mag-shoutout.
Shoutout po kay Dade, kay Mame, sa kapatid ko po, kay Tatay, kay Nanay. Taga Baliti po, tapos sa Limang Olags po, kay Naninong. Kinatita niya po, doon po.
And with that, we will get back to you with more of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.